Welcome to this quick and simple guide on how to upload photos and videos to Dropbox. Whether you're new to Dropbox or just need a quick refresher, this updated tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to get your images and videos backed up and organized in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Dropbox app installed on your device and that you're signed in with your account. Once you're ready, open the Dropbox app. On the home screen, look for the plus button. You'll usually find it at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to open your upload options. Next, from the list that appears, choose Upload Photos or Videos. This option allows you to select the pictures or videos you'd like to add from your phone's gallery or camera roll. Scroll through and tap on the images or clips you want to upload. You can choose a single file or several at once, depending on what you need. After you've made your selection, tap Upload. Dropbox will begin transferring your chosen files to your account. You'll see a progress bar that shows the upload status, so you know when everything is finished. Once the upload is complete, your photos and videos will be safely stored in your Dropbox, ready to access anytime from any device. That's all it takes, just 3 easy steps. Tap the plus button, select your content, and upload. With Dropbox, your memories and important files are always backed up and accessible wherever you go. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.